Hello students, in the last video we were learning about open dominating set. So what is an open dominating set? Before going into that, suppose I have a graph G, right? There are two types of neighborhoods. One is open neighborhood and the other is closed neighborhood. So a point U is said to be a neighbor of V if there is an edge from U to V, or if I say U and V are adjacent to each other. So then U will belong to a set N of V, which is called the neighborhood of V. And this neighborhood is called open neighborhood. And for the closed neighborhood, it contains the element V also. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು open and closed neighborhoods na define ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. An element is said to dominate, or a vertex is said to dominate openly any other vertex of the graph if this vertex U belongs to the open neighborhood of V. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ this set is a dominating set with some vertices of the graph G such that every vertex of G is adjacent to at least one vertex of S. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜಿ. There is a theorem on this. For every graph G of any order, but graph G should not contain isolated vertices. For such graph G, the domination number is less than or equal to open domination number, which is less than or equal to twice the domination number. ಏನಿದು ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಾಮಾ ನಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ this, and if I find an open dominating set S, not ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ open dominating set. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, V1, so V1 openly dominates V2 and V5. Next, suppose I take V3, so V3 dominates, or V3 openly dominates V2, V4 and V1. Then I'll have to take V4 because V3 ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ V1 V3 ಇಂದ V2 V5 V4 V1 ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ V4, then V3 will also be, no need of V4 because V1 dominates V3 also, right? See, V1 is openly dominating V2, V3, V5, and V3 is openly dominating V2, V3, V4, but we need, so this is our open dominating set for the graph G. So ಇದೇ graph G ಗೆ suppose I have to write some see this V1, if S0 was a dominating set, then V1 would dominate itself, V2, V5, then V3 would dominate V3, V2, V4. So ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ S0, it is also a dominating set of the graph G ಅಲ್ವಾ. It is not just open dominating set, but it is also dominating set. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್. ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನು, ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ V1 ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, V2 dominates itself, that is Vi will dominate itself. So open dominating set alli Vi will dominate its neighbors only. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, open dominating set is always a dominating set, but it need not be minimum. Therefore domination number will be less than or equal to open domination number. Right, so this is the first part. Now we have to prove open dominating number is less than or equal to twice the dominating number. So now we have proved the first part. Ega for second part, suppose S is the minimum dominating set with k number of elements. So if this is a minimum dominating set, then S dominates all the vertices of graph G. ಅರ್ಥ ಈಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, S openly dominates V of G minus S. ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ and my dominating set here is, say I write it as 1 and 3. So 1, 3 are dominating sets because 1 dominates itself, 2, 4, 3 dominates itself, 2 and 4, right? So ega what is V of G minus S? It is 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 are connected to the vertices of S. So S is openly dominating V of G minus S, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜೀಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದಾಕಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಜಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ನೇಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಟಿಸಸ್ of the graph is empty, that is they are all non-empty, right? So there is an element belonging to the neighborhood. Suppose I take for each neighborhood there is at least one element in it and I'll write it as ui. So idu ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದು neighborhood, that is only for S, that is for the proof. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಐಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಐ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to k. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯು ಐಸ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ u1 u2 so on up to uk. ಸೊ the vertices of S are now dominated by vertices of S dash. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ u1 is adjacent to v1, u1 dominates v1 and v1 dominates u1, right? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಎಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿಸ್ will openly dominate the graph G. Because S is a dominating set, it will dominate all the vertices of G. S dash will dominate the vertices of S. Therefore, S union S dash will openly dominate the graph G. So, if this openly dominates, I don't know if it is minimum or not. Therefore, gamma naught of G will be less than or equal to cardinality of S union S dash. So S union S dash alli ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 2k number of elements. Therefore gamma naught of G, which is less than or equal to S union S dash, which is less than or equal to twice the cardinality of S, that is gamma naught of G is less than or equal to cardinality of S andre S is minimum dominating set. Therefore cardinality of S will be the domination number. So initially we proved domination number is less than or equal to open domination number, and now we have proved that open domination number is twice the domination number. Hence, the theorem is proved. Let's check this on some random graph. Suppose I have a graph G as this. So, there is no isolated vertex, right? ಈಗ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ n/3, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 1. ಸೊ 1 ವಿಲ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ 2 and 5. Left out edges are 3 and 4. So I will write 3. 1 and 3 dominates this part of the graph. So for this, suppose I will take 6. So again agate 1 dominates itself 2, 5. 3 dominates itself 4, 2. 6 dominates itself 7, 8 and 5. So all the elements are now, all the vertices are now dominated by S, and this is the minimum. I cannot remove any vertex from this, right? So if I try to remove one vertex also, then there are too many vertices that are not dominated. Therefore gamma of G is now equal to 3. ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಸ್ S0. If I take 1, so 1 will now dominate, openly dominate 2 and 5. Next, suppose I write 3. 3 will now openly dominate 2 and 4. And then I'll take 5. 5 will now openly dominate 1 and 4, right? Then, and even 6 is now openly dominated. Then if I take 6, then 6 will openly dominate 7 and 8. So the open domination set S0 dominates 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ಇನ್ನು 3 ನನಗೆ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 1 ವಿಲ್ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್ 2 and 5. 4 will openly dominate 3 and 5. 5 will openly dominate 1 and 4. 6 will openly dominate 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the vertices of this graph G are now openly dominated by S naught. So this is minimum, because if I remove any one of this, there will be at least one vertex which will not be openly dominated. Therefore, gamma naught of G will be equal to 4. So 3 is now less than or equal to 4, and then ನನಗೆ gamma of G is less than or equal to gamma naught of G ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? And even gamma naught of G is now less than or equal to twice gamma of G. 4 is less than or equal to 2 into 3, which is 6. So now we have got a range for open domination number, right? So this applies to any graph G which has no isolated vertex, because open dominating set ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ there must be no isolated vertex in the graph. What is the open domination number of a cycle? Suppose I take a cycle C3, 1, 2 and 3. So ಈಗ open dominating set for this is 1 will openly dominate 2 and 3, and then I'll have to take either 2 or 3 to openly dominate vertex 1. So gamma naught of C3 is now 2. Then suppose I take C4. So for C4 nange eshtagutte, I'll have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 will now openly dominate 2 and 4. Now I have to openly dominate 3 and 1. So for that I'll take 4, or even I can take 2. So gamma naught of G is now equal to 2. Then C5. For C5, suppose I'll take S naught as, if I take 1, 2 and 4 are now openly dominated. Then I will take 5. So 3 and 4 are again openly dominated, right? Or say I'll take 4. So 5 and 1 are now openly dominated. 3 is left out, so I can take 2 or 5. Suppose I'll write 2. Then gamma naught of G is now equal to 3, right? So now we have gamma naught of C3 as 2, gamma naught of C4 as 2, gamma naught of C5 is also is 3. Then suppose I take C6. So C6 ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, S naught. Suppose I start with 1. So now 2 and 6 are openly dominated. And now suppose I take 4. 5 and 3 are now openly dominated. Now we need to openly dominate 1 and 4. So I can take 6 or 2 to openly dominate 1, and I can take 3 or 5 to openly dominate 4. So gamma naught of C6 is 4. I cannot reduce number of vertices from S naught. If I reduce, suppose I take 1, 3 and 5. Again agate 1 openly dominates 6 and 2, 3 openly dominates 2, 4, 5 openly dominates 4 and 6. So aga we have not openly dominated 1, 3 and 5 alva. So less number of elements na togolokagala. S naught will have 4. Ega we need to observe some things here. Gamma naught of C3 is 2. So which is 3 plus 1 by 2, right? Then gamma naught of C4 is n by 2. Gamma naught of C5 is again n plus 1 by 2. Gamma naught of C6 ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ, it is 4. ಅಂದರೆ suppose if I have to write as divided by 2, then it is 8 by 2, which is n plus 2 by 2. So now this gives the conclusion that for any graph gamma naught of Cn, there are two values, that is maximum integer n by 2 and n plus 2 by 2. But ಯಾವಾಗ maximum integer, ಯಾವಾಗ n plus 2 by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? One thing that we can observe here is when we divide 6 by 4, the remainder is 2. That is n is congruent to 2 mod 4. Whenever we divide n by 4, the remainder must be 2. Then the open domination number will be n plus 2 by 2. If that is not the case, then it will be maximum integer n by 2. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ proof ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. First consider the cycle Cn. Suppose I write the Cn as V1, V2 so on up to Vn and then again V1. So ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, first I have to observe that graph Cn is 2 regular, therefore each vertex of Cn will openly dominate 2 vertices, right? Therefore the open domination number cannot exceed maximum integer n by 2. Suppose n is not congruent to 2 mod 4, ಅಂದರೆ n ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಇಂದ the remainder is not 2. Then what are the possibilities? The remainder can be 0 or 1 or 3, right? Suppose the remainder is congruent to 0 mod 4. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗ ನನಗೆ n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n will be 4k and this value will be greater than or equal to 4. So ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, suppose I take C4. ಈಗ V1, V2, V3, V4. If I select V1 and V2 as my elements in the open dominating set, then they will openly dominate V1, V3, V2, V4 ಎಲ್ಲನೂ openly dominate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So I will select V1 and V2. So my S0 will now be equal to V1, V2. ಈಗ that was for 4 number of elements. If more than 4 elements, ಈಗ 8 ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ V1, V2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ V1 will openly dominate V2 and V8. Then V2 will openly dominate V1, V3. So V4, V5, V6, V7 will be left out. So for that V5 and V6 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, V5 will openly dominate V4 and V6. V6 will openly dominate V7 and V5. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ದೆನ್ S0 will have n by 2 number of elements and this is minimum. Fine. Suppose n is congruent to 1 mod 4. ಆಗ n will be equal to 4k plus 1. This will be greater than or equal to 5. ಈಗ for this the open dominating set that we are going to consider is same as before. We will take V1, V2, V5, V6. So what are the ending elements that we have to take? 4k sorry, v4k minus 3 k equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ it will be v1 ಅಲ್ವಾ, and v4k minus 2. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ c4k ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ 4k plus 1 ಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ v4k plus 1 will be taken in the open dominating set. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ 2k ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ plus this one, which is the maximum integer n by 2 for 4k plus 1. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ when n is congruent to 3 mod 4 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I can write n as 4k plus 3, and this will be greater than or equal to 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ same as before, v1, v2, so v5, v6 and so on till we'll take v4k plus 1, v4k plus 2. So how many number of elements are there in this? There are 2k plus 2 number of elements. So even that is n by ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ n by 2. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವೆನ್ n is not congruent to 2 mod 4ಗೆ we have got maximum integer n by 2 as the open domination number, right? Then now we have to prove that open domination number is n plus 2 by 2 for whenever n is congruent to 2 mod 4. That will prove in the next video. So that's all for this video. Thank you.